Hello, you guys. Welcome back, or welcome if you are new. Hi, my name is Karina, and welcome to Makeup Monday. So today's video is going to be of course, tutorial on the brand new La Flor de Mexico by TRESLUCE, which is Becky G's brand. I had asked you guys on Instagram if you wanted to see a tutorial using this one or the Kylie palette, and tons of you voted for this one. So I really wanted to play with a little bit of the colors. So I played a little bit with the greens and came up with this very easy to achieve look, very warm tone, but again, we have that beautiful pop of color. And if you guys can tell, I am not wearing lashes, which is a big deal. I wear lashes in every single one of my videos, but I get lots of questions on what is like look appropriate for work. And honestly, for me, I feel like you can rock pretty much any look as long as you have beautiful long lashes. And I don't naturally have long lashes, but I have been using the brand new deck of Scarlet's Big Lash Energy Long and Strong Tinting Mascara. And I'm going to show you guys why I've been really liking this. So shout out to Deck of Scarlet for sponsoring today's video. I'll be applying this to my lashes, and I just decided to skip out on the lashes today. I did not want to bother with falsies, so I hope you guys enjoy today's video. Make sure you grab your cafecito, and let's go ahead and start with today's Makeup Monday tutorial. Alright, so I'm going to start with my NYX Ultimate Shadow and Liner Primer. I have officially gone back to it. I love it because it is tacky and it just really grips onto the eyeshadow, prolonging it and just really making it pop. So after that, we're going to go in with our new TRESLUCE La Flor de Mexico palette. This is what it looks like on the inside. Beautiful shimmers, metallics, and mattes. And you have mainly warm tones with a little bit of a pop of like a lime green. I'm going to start with the shade Yuca Flor, which is a Mexican flower. And I'm applying that underneath the brow bone. You already know the deal. If you watch my Makeup Monday videos, this is how I typically start my tutorials. I just personally prefer a white base. I'm going to take the shade Petunia, which I ended up regretting a little bit because it was a little darker than I had anticipated. I think I meant to go in with Morning Glory, but I accidentally dipped into Petunia, but that's okay. This really created an easier transition for me. I didn't have to layer another one to make it like softer. I do have to say that these eyeshadows are very easy to blend. They're creamy, they're pigmented, they're velvety, and they just, they do the work for you. You don't have to worry about layering them so much because they do have such intense color payoff. Now I'm gonna dig into the shade Jardín, which is garden in Spanish. It's a beautiful like moss green, and this one did take me a little bit of time to work up, and not because the shade wasn't pigmented. It was because I was working with a really small detailed brush. So I made sure that I took my time and applied this as many times as I needed. I kind of wanted to go for a halo eye, and then I changed my mind and I was like, nah, I'm gonna do a full cut crease. And now I wish I would have done a sunset eye makeup look, but it's all right. It is what it is. So as you can see here, I am just going back and forth, dipping my brush back into the shade Jardín a few times just to intensify the green. These colors are very like brown-eyed girl friendly. If you have hazel eyes as well or green eyes, these are the colors that really complements your eye color and really bring, the golden undertones in your eyes. So I'm going to do the same thing to the other eye, making sure that all the shades are nice and blended. Diffusing the edges, I went ahead and cut the crease off camera. I'm going to take a mix of Birds of Paraíso as well as Nopal. And oh my gosh, talking about Nopal, you guys, if you have ever tried salad of like cactus salad, oh my goodness, it is one of my favorites. Let me know in the comment section down below if you've ever tried cactus. It's definitely more of a Mexican dish, and it's one of my absolute favorites, and it's pretty healthy too, so yay for that. I added nopal to the inner corner of the eye to really create that beautiful transition. I do want to point out that Birds of Paraíso, I felt like it needed a little extra oomph. It was very like glittery, but the color didn't really pop for me. So I love the shade, but I wish it was more. I went back with the shade Jardín and I added that to the outer corner of the eye. As per usual, just blending the shades to make sure that everything looks nice, soft, and diffused. I do like to use this smaller brush, especially when I'm working with like shimmer shadows, because it doesn't get all over the place. I don't get the shadow fallout, and it just makes it easier to blend. I'm going to go in with the shade Orchid. This is probably my favorite shimmer shade in the entire palette. It's a really pretty like opal iridescent white color, and it looks beautiful in the inner corner. So I know this is going to look beautiful all over the lid. If you guys have this palette, let me know. Now for my mascara, I am taking the brand new mascara from Deck of Scarlet. It is their new Big Lash Energy Long and Strong Tinting Mascara. And it does exactly what it says. It lengthens and it also tints your lashes within time. It has really amazing ingredients: plankton extract, biotin, provitamin B5, melatonin, as well as coffee oil. It volumizes, it won't run, and it won't flake or smudge. So if you guys are interested, I will have a link in the description box down below where you can check out the mascara. And we're gonna move on to the lips. I'm gonna take my NYX lip liner. I'm going to carefully line the lips. I swear I take a long time lining my lips because I make sure that they look perfect. And then I'm going to take a combination of Dose of Colors liquid lipstick. I believe this is in the shade Knock on Wood, and then I went with a lip gloss. I will have the name in the description box down below because I don't have it in front of me and I don't remember the name off the top of my head. And this is the final look. What do you guys think of the palette? What do you guys think of the colors? I forgot to give you a swatch. I swatched all the matte ones, and of course I did not show them to you guys, but I really like this palette. 10 out of 10. It's the same quality as her first palettes. The colors are really pretty. This is how my lashes look after applying about 2 or 3 coats. I like my lashes to look a little clumpy. That's just like my personal style. I do like how lengthening this mascara is. So don't forget to check out Deck of Scarlet and use my discount code at checkout to save some money. All links will be in the description box down below. And with that said, thank you so much for watching today's Makeup Monday. As always, let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. And if you recreate this look, don't forget to tag me at OMGlashes on Instagram so I can repost you and show you some love. I love you all, and until next time, I will see you in my next video. Bye!